Welcome to the Thirsty Air Pub. Well, kinda. It's actually a green screen. We're shooting at MIT Endicott House. We're gonna do a lasagna. There's a lot of different ways of making lasagna. The one we're gonna use today is we're gonna incorporate some impossible meat. I think I'm gonna show you a quick little video about the impossible meat. It's interesting science.
So let's find out how they do it. Impossible is trying to isolate and then recreate as many meat-like components as they can. And this machine is helping them do it.
So what I have in front of you is a gas chromatogram mass spectrometer. So then we could cook this sample at whatever temperature we want to understand what flavors are generated upon cooking. So those aromas, again, is what creates the flavor of meat.
It all comes down to these ingredients, which include the heme, wheat protein for texture, and coconut as a stand-in for fat. Add them all together, and it starts to look more and more like a beef patty. The result is a meatless burger that's so convincing, it may as well be meat.
All right, pretty impressive.
Well, I hope you found that interesting. Little question for everybody, little quiz here. How many people know where lasagna originated from? And would it be Greece, England, Italy, or the United States? You can answer that in your chat box. The answer to the question was, much to my surprise also, was Greece. And most of you chose Italy, which I did myself. But being Italian, I don't know about that one. I like skillet. There's a little story behind the skillet. This is a family, been in my family for, I'd say 75, 80 years. My grandmother used to. You can use a spatula if you like, or a spoon, whatever you're comfortable with. Right up to the edge once again. All right, oven, just like on television, and it's going to be nice and brown on the top. So that's kind of how it should look at the end.